Guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Rob. Today I'm going to be doing a Honda 7S unboxing, guys. I know I said I'm not going to do a Nintendo. I'm going to do a Nintendo Switch Lite boxing, guys. I'm very sorry, but so you guys, if you know, it says that 5.45 Honda full view display, and it also says that it has one rear sprint front camera and 3-in-1 dual SIM slots and 320 million battery display. Large battery element, guys. So this is 107S. I think this is the latest. I don't know. This is 69 pounds. You guys should get this for your birthday, guys. I don't know if I should use this for a smartphone or not, guys. This is the phone. So guys, and this is the phone, guys. As you guys can see, nice texture, nice camera. As I can see it has a full camera, but no wrench. Guys. Oh guys, if you guys know, I already set it up, guys. This is how it looks like, guys. Guys, we do have letters too, guys. I'll be back in a minute. And as what I've seen, it does come with paper and a book. If you do that, we're able to cut the chargers, and this is the phone, guys. We're just going to show you the camera setup. So also we might keep it for another video, shall we? Okay, well guys, we're gonna do it. Shall we, guys? Okay, guys, this is the front camera. If you guys can see that, this is the face camera. If you guys can see that. This is one of the things I got, guys. You guys can see. So now, then you can choose what brightness you want. Also, you guys, I did a video. This is how bright it can go, guys. I'm going to be doing a face review at the end of this video. You guys want to see my face now? Okay. So we're going to go home and see the games that they have. Look at the games they have. They have these games. These games I already downloaded. I already downloaded. I didn't really download anything, guys. I just downloaded like Hogwarts Mystery and stuff. Let's play one of them. I think we should play Dragon Maid. Nah, let's not do it. Let's go home. And I'm gonna do games, and then I'm gonna go Harry Potter. Harry Potter in the Dark World. Dude. And if you guys know, people have been required for me to play this. So it's gonna be loading soon. And guys, it says if I'm enjoying the game. So I'm gonna push yes. I hope it doesn't take me to Play Store, guys. It says, would you like willing to share? Nah. So guys, I'm gonna go to this. You guys, if you could know, I'm not Dumbledore. You guys, just guess who I am. I am. I'll say it in the end of the video too. And I'm gonna do a face reveal too. Let's see. I don't think that I'm needing Gryffindor right now. Oh, you guys, it said, bloody hell! What happened to your robes? You guys just don't ever say that at home. I got snared by Devil Sneer. Devil Sneer? How? What happened with Professor Snape? It was a trick. What is it with you and this girl? I think she should by me, and I think she hates it. That I'm the only first year who's stood up to her.
Can I take it to you once again?
I'm gonna put up the volume. So, you guys, I don't know why I always turn off my phone. But you guys, I don't care. I'm just gonna show you guys the pen. So we're gonna turn up the volume too. I have the fake letter from Snape, but I can't prove he's the one who wrote it.
Well, you can go around the castle dressed like that. Our head of house professors, McGonagall, will have a fit. People already look at you like you're mad because of your brother.
I can go and change into fresh robes.
Better yet, pick something to wear outside of class. That's one way to make any impression at Hogwarts.
Yes, now what's the next one? I'm gonna go to this. I'm gonna see you guys. I'll be back when I find out. Because I did get a very bad outfit, but it's too expensive. Do you guys like my outfit, guys?
Wow, that's cute. Quite a smart outfit. You look brilliant.
Oh, am I? She's going. Because I'm going to head before, guys. Guess what color I have? Guys, so I'm going to do the pin. You guys saw my head for the first time ever in history. But I'm just happy to have escaped the devil's snare. Try not.
Try not to think about it during your first flying class. You need to complete focus to summon your broom.
I learned how to summon my broom in my very first class.
Yes, hurry to the training ground. Your lesson will begin soon.
Where is it? I don't know where to go, guys. I don't know what to touch, guys. You guys are going to here. I'm gonna summon my broom today. You guys know, my name is Mike Francisco. Oh, have you not? I want to be Harry Potter. But Harry Potter has to come with the new update soon. Baby. I'm gonna go to training grounds. I'm gonna press this. They look so marvelous, guys.
Welcome to your first flying class. I'll be your instructor, Madam Hart.
I've been dreading this class all summer. You're afraid of heights? Falling from heights, mostly. I told you, I come from a Mongol family. Told you, flying on the broom is terrifying. learning to summon your broom.
A well-maintained broom is a fast broom to your broom care station.
I'm going to press this. Polish. Again. 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 I'm going to choose my own. I'm going to do this. I really did something wrong, guys. Now I'm back to Cisco. Let's see your
Now, Miss Francisco, let's see your summon your broom. Prepare to summon broom.
because I was doing this and this. This is allowed. Because my sister wants to say hi.
Hey guys, you might know me from Chantal Plays Game. I am also going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm going to be doing a Motorola E6 on my video. So make sure you guys go check out that video.
Yeah, guys. My broom is so easy to summon.
So guys, let's end the video now.
You guys, we're gonna end the video here. Bye. Wait, guys. You can think I'm not gonna do the face reveal. So let's go. Guys, do you like the way I look? Yeah, guys, we're gonna do a face reveal on my second video. Only if you go to 10,000 likes. Bye.